So you've been uploading videos after videos, but you are not getting any views, subscribers, or engagement on your channel. Well, I was also facing the same issues until I found these settings that you can actually implement in your YouTube channel, and your channel will start getting all the views, subscribers, and engagement that it deserves. This settings is going to make YouTube to recommend your videos, push your videos to the audience, to the people that will actually interact with your content. So in case you have a small YouTube channel like mine, or you are already an experienced YouTuber, then you still need to implement these settings to boost your YouTube channel instantly. All right, so let me quickly dive into my YouTube studio and let's fix this immediately. This is my YouTube interface, and as you can see, I'm using a PC. But if in case you do not have a PC, you can maintain your smartphone. Just make sure that you use the desktop side for the YouTube studio. All right, so let's dive into it. Once you have logged into the YouTube studio, the first thing that you have to do is to go straight to the settings. So this is the settings on the left side of the interface. Then when you click on the settings, it is going to redirect you here. Then you can see the general. Then we are going to choose channel, and you click on that, and then you can see basic information. Then we'll select advanced settings. Okay, so when you click on advanced settings, just take a look at this right here. This it says, do you want to set your channel as made for kids? Okay, if you do not understand these settings, you might actually leave it there, but it is blocking a lot of chances for your channel, because this settings is actually asking you that your content, is it made for kids or not? And the options that we have here is yes, set this channel as made for kids. You understand? I mostly upload content that's made for kids. So if you select this option and your content is not made for kids, actually YouTube will not be able to recommend your videos, because the algorithm will be confused somehow. And we have the second option here, no, set this channel as not made for kids. I almost never upload content that's made for kids. Yeah, so if you know your channel is not made for kids, then you need to select this option. You need to select this option so that anytime you upload your video, YouTube algorithm will know that this video or content is not made for kids. Therefore, the algorithm will push the video to the right audience that is going to interact with your content. And the third option here is, I want to review these settings for every video, meaning that anytime you upload a video, YouTube is going to ask you whether to accept that the content is made for kids or not. But in some cases, you might actually forget these settings when you are uploading your video. That is why it is necessary that you just select no, set this channel as not made for kids. All right, so once we have quickly selected that, then we'll move on to the next settings. After you select that, then you make sure you click on save, so that your settings will be saved properly. Then the next thing that we are moving on is, if you have already uploaded content on your channel, make sure you upload content. So you go ahead and select any of your content. All right, when you select it, just go to the settings right here, and then you are going to scroll down to the bottom of the video, and I'm going to show you something right there. All right, so as you can see right here, when you scroll down, you find out that there is a settings here that says tags and things. All these things are very important for your video. Anytime you upload your video, you need to make sure that you optimize your videos, because if you do not optimize your videos, the algorithm will not be able to receive any information to push your videos. So how do you optimize your videos? Number one, the video thumbnail is number one. You need to make sure that your video thumbnail is always looking good and catchy. Number two is the type of title that you actually use for your videos. Okay, so you need to always make sure that you use the right title for your videos. Make sure that the title that you are using is not misleading, so that whenever somebody interacts with your content, they are likely to return back again. All right, so once you have set the thumbnail, you get a nice title for the video, then you make sure that you set the hashtags. All right, this is the hashtags. Make sure that you implement the hashtags very, very well. This is going to send information to the YouTube algorithm, and the YouTube algorithm will know the exact people to recommend your videos to. All right, so now we are done with the video optimization. The next thing that you need to make sure that you implement on your channel is the channel overall SEO optimization. All right, this is a settings that is going to actually trigger the algorithm, because you are trying to tell the algorithm what your channel is all about. You understand that right here on YouTube, every YouTube channel has a topic, it has a niche. So your niche is what shows the type of audience that the algorithm is going to recommend your videos to. Okay, so if you want to optimize your YouTube channel so that you start getting all the views and subscribers that you need, then you need to go straight to the settings again. When you go straight to the settings, you go to channel, and then you see this basic information. This basic information is highly recommended that you set it properly. So the first one is the country of residence, where you're actually staying at the moment. So I will probably go ahead and select GH, Ghana. Okay, so if you are staying in London, you're staying in Canada, wherever you're staying in Kenya, South Africa, or Nigeria, just make sure that you set your residence correctly. This will actually recommend your videos to the people around you, as well as the people that are more interested in your videos and are likely to interact with it. Then the second option that we have here is the keywords. The keywords are very, very important to your channel, because this is what tells your story. This is what tells what your channel is all about and what the channel is actually going to impact. So it is very, very crucial. If you are working on a gaming channel or a vlog or a reaction channel, you need to make sure you implement the right keywords to your YouTube channel, so that the algorithm will know what your channel is all about, and it will push your videos to the right audience that will actually engage with it. So if you want to implement the keyword, it is very, very simple. Once you already have the keywords here, like mine, I already have it in a note, and in another video I'm going to be showing you how to get all these keywords that you are looking for. So do not worry. Right here, you need to copy the keywords one by one. You can't just copy all of them and paste it at once. No, just copy them one by one, and then you will see that anytime you paste the keyword, it is going to be highlighted on the diagram. So let's go back again and pick another one. So you can see that all these keywords here has to do with our YouTube growth, digital entrepreneurship, digital marketing, YouTube marketing, personal growth, digital wealth, YouTube monetization, and so others. And this is what this channel is all about. I don't know about your channel. If your channel is about sports, news, gaming, or reactions, then you need to get the right keywords for your channel. All right, so you will go ahead and paste that keyword, and it will be highlighted here. And when you look down here, you can see that you have about 500 words, so you can be able to input at least 500 keywords in this bracket. Now after doing that, then you go ahead and save these settings. Now we are moving on to the final settings that you need to set for your YouTube channel. Okay guys, so the final step that I'm going to show you right now is another important settings that will boost your YouTube subscribers very fast. And to do that, you just go straight to your browser, and then you are going to search for YouTube subscribe link generator, and you click on that. Then you select the SEO Studio, and when you click on it, it is going to redirect you to their website. This is a free website where you can click this is a free website where you can create a dedicated link for your channel, which means anytime somebody clicks on the link, it is going to automatically subscribe to your channel. So you are going to need you need to enter the YouTube channel URL. So you go straight to your YouTube page, then on the search bar here, you just copy your URL, your link. You copy it, then you come back to the site, and then you paste it right here. After pasting the link, then you click on generate. All right, so within some few seconds, it is going to generate this link for you. And then you can see, go to link. You can take a look at how the link is going to look like even before implementing it. So when you click on it, the link is going to redirect the person to your page, and then it will ask the person to subscribe automatically. So anytime somebody clicks on this link, it is going to generate a subscriber for you instantly. Now, how do you implement the link? You just go back to the website and then copy the link, and then you go back to any of your videos that you've already uploaded. Let me replace this one. Then in your video description, you are going to paste it right there. And then you are going to add a very nice and catchy caption. Now let's go to the video and take a look at how this is going to look like. Now when you visit your YouTube studio, this is how it is going to look like right here. So subscribe for more videos on how to grow on YouTube. So when the viewer clicks on this link, it is going to redirect them, and then the person will automatically subscribe to your channel. All right guys, so this is it on how to get more views, subscribers, and engagement on your small YouTube channel. All right, so in the next video, I'm going to be showing you more settings that will actually boost your YouTube channel engagement, subscribers, and views. I'll be showing you how to add end screen videos, like how to input them the right way, how to put a card in your video. That is when you are watching a video, that video that displays at the top before the end of the actual video that you're watching, a lot. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and drop a comment. I'll be waiting for you in the comment section. So let's vibe in the comment section. Stay blessed and see you in the next video.